Once upon a time, in a quiet village covered in soft white snow, winter had arrived gently. Snowflakes danced in the air, and warm lights glowed inside small, cozy homes. In the front window of a little coat shop hung a bright blue coat named Kobe. He was soft, warm, and very proud of himself. Every day, children stopped to look at him. "Wow, that coat looks so warm," they said. Kobe smiled to himself, feeling important. One cold morning, a kind old tailor gently folded Kobe and placed him in a box. "Today, you'll meet your owner," the tailor said with a smile. The box opened in a small wooden house. A shy little boy named Ion looked inside and smiled. "You'll keep me warm," he whispered. That night, snow fell heavily. Ion wore Kobe as he walked with his mother to help their neighbors. Suddenly, Ion stopped. Under a bench, a tiny kitten was shaking with cold. Ion opened his coat and wrapped the kitten inside. "It's okay," he said softly. Kobe felt something new, happiness. A little later, Ion saw an old man without a coat. Without thinking, he took off Kobe and placed him on the man's shoulders. "But you'll be cold," the old man said. Ion smiled and replied, "Warm hearts don't feel cold." The next morning, the sun shone softly. The old man shared milk with the kitten, both wrapped in Kobe's warmth. Kobe was no longer proud of his buttons or color. He was proud because he had kept many hearts warm. And the village learned a simple truth: winter feels shorter when kindness is shared.